everyone, welcome back to the Christmas cleaning edition. Today we're going to be focusing on cleaning the guest bedroom or wherever your guests are going to sleep. So I'm firstly beginning by deep cleaning the mattress. So sometimes the mattresses you can remove the top part and you can put it in the washing machine. If yours doesn't come off, it's fine, you can just hoover it. And I'm actually going to do a super deep clean. I'm going to take everything off. So I'm going to take off the mattress and I'm going to move the mattress and move the bed. And it's amazing the amount of things that I found under there. Like some of the cards that my son had been missing for some time, I actually found them. So this was a very interesting clean because I think I understand why people say you should do a seasonal clean in your bedroom, like literally move the bed, because the amount of dust that was under there, it's shocking. So this is what I found. I ended up getting in my little dish over here and some more soap, just water and soap, and just wiping off the baseboards. Like the amount of dust that was collecting from the certain parts of the room, I was so surprised. And I was like, this is why people get sick, like coughing and stuff. And I was wondering why my son had a cough. So yeah. This is just a perfect example of why I should move my bed literally every season to ensure that it's clean and, you know, the dust is not building up. And just the baseboards, I literally even went behind the bed itself to, yeah, basically what you see is what I'm seeing, and I was not very happy to see all of that. I literally was kind of beating myself up because I was like, I should have been doing this, but you know what? Life gets busy. I have children, work, and everything else, so you know I do what I can with the time that I have. So this is just to encourage you guys to, if you are going to be doing your guest bedroom, make sure you move your bed, because you don't want your guests to be moving your bed and finding such lovely dust. So I also literally took out the slabs and everything, and I was hoovering in between them. And this was not an easy task, to be honest. I did not think it's going to take, I think it took me about 2 hours, if I'm honest. I wasn't even recording myself to know how long it actually took, but I know it took more than an hour. I think it was about 2 hours. And this is just a little vacuum and how full that was already. But yeah, so I'm definitely going to be doing this seasonally because the amount of dust, like I'm mentioning, and all the buildup. So I took the chance to take off all the slabs and to get my soapy water and just to wipe off everything. So this is me literally in between each and every single one, and I'm just wiping off any dust that was there, and from top to bottom. Like these are like the ends of the bed as well, and I just ended up taking everything off because there was just so much build-up, and I just thought, I can't I just have to get on with it. So I hope you guys are getting motivated and don't do what I did. You know, make sure you do this seasonally as much as you possibly can. I hope you guys are actually following along, and I'm hoping that you are doing the task which matches your energy. So I think we are on day 14 now, and I have done quite a lot. I hope you guys have also ticked off your to-do list and are happy with the progress that you have made. If not, that's perfectly fine. Just do what you can with the energy you have. And do you know what? January is going to be around the corner, and we're going to be doing another deep clean anyway for the new year. So do what is important to you right now, and that's going to get you to have a good Christmas and host your lovely guests. So this is me putting everything back. It did take a long time because I couldn't figure out how to get it done, but eventually we got there at the end, and overall I am so impressed. I managed to do all of this because my kids were not at home and they were with their grandma, so I managed to get all of this done with the time that I had, and I'm so happy I did. Like honestly, I was so happy. And this is everything put back in, with the mattress put back in as well. So don't also forget, if you've got side cabinets, to ensure those are clean and dust free. Just open them up as well, just hoover inside. And if you've got like fingerprints and stuff like that, you know, any grease, dirt, whatever is building up on there, just make sure you wipe it off. So use whatever products work best for you, and you know, whatever works for you. I'm not going to really recommend anything right now because at the end of the day, you've probably got a lot of money that you're spending on Christmas presents and stuff. So just do with what you've got. Even dishwashing liquid is absolutely fine. And don't also forget your baseboards. You know, just also they do collect a lot of dust. it. The room is ready. It's just waiting for some bedding, and that's it. My room is ready for my guests. That's it from me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will see you soon. You have a lovely day. Bye.